How to remove songs from Instagram posts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can remove songs from Instagram posts. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Instagram. Make sure you're logged in into your account. Then find the post that you want to remove. So my post is this one right here, but still, let's head over to the profile. Tap on the bottom right corner on your profile icon and you should see all of your posts. Head over to the post and there you can see there is a song in my Instagram post right here. So actually, if you go ahead and check out the different options that you have available, you can see that there is no option to simply remove the song. So they can even tap on the edit option and you still won't find it. So what you can do to actually remove the song is delete the post entirely. So tap on the three dots on the top right, tap on delete and confirm it. Now deleting the post is the only way to remove the song from the post. So post the video or post it again and you should be back to good. So there you can see. Now if I post it without any songs, there we go. And it's that simple. And that's the only way to remove the song. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.